How do you know the chair won't break when you sit on it? Or the bridge won't fall even when 100 cars pass by? The materials used to create a bridge or a chair have someday gone through tensile test, which measured the stress and strain curve depicting how much tension or load this material can bear. Let us understand how this test is conducted. A specimen is made as per specification, which is appropriately measured as per the test method. The specimen is fixed in the machine grips, and testing starts. Load increased slowly. After reaching the maximum load, the sample will break. The specimen is again measured, and with this stress and strain curve is acquired. We will learn more about mechanical testing this month. Until then, stay connected and follow our social media channels for more updates.